Oh yay! Welcome back! So this video will be sharing about the audio source in Unity and how you actually click on the button and then it will actually have the sound effect. Okay, very simple. Okay, so you go to the asset folder, create a folder and put your audio first. Okay, put your audios. Okay, then I will actually have the audio file. If you actually follow me with the tutorial that for this UI layering, you should actually have this audio sound together with you. So if you doesn't have it, it's okay. You can actually download any audio file to actually try it out. So what is the audio source format that is actually supported in Unity? Example, WAV, or the common one will be MP3. Okay, if you heard about OGG, that's supported as well. So if you actually wanted to check out on this part, you can actually always refer to the Unity documentation to check it out. Okay, so right now I have this sun moon button, right? So when I click on this sun moon button, it should actually play the sound. So okay, so we have actually a script in here already, and it actually has the play function in here for the on click. Okay, so normally I will make things clear in here. So let's say this sound is actually for this particular buttons. Then I will actually go to this sun moon button, add the component here, and I put the audio in here. Okay, so the component that we needed to actually put the sound is actually called audio source. Okay, cool. So when you actually have this audio source, and you will actually notice that this component having a sub-component called audio clip. Okay, so who is our audio clip? So our audio clip in the asset folder. So just drag it inside. So button sound. Okay, let's try this out. If you actually just play on it, it should have a sound. The sound can be heard actually is because of the component itself. There's something called play on awake. It's actually tick. So which means that actually I play here, it will actually automatically play already. So normally it's needed to be tick when we actually doing for like background musics. Yeah. So when we play the games, then it will just automatically play. Okay, so for this case, we do no need this. We will just untick this. Okay. So right now, make sure it doesn't play. Yeah, it just worked fine. Okay, so how we actually press on the button and it will actually play. Okay, that's we actually need to go to the scripting part. Open up the script. Okay, the existing script is already have the press button function already working. So same goes to animator. We need to actually know where is the audio source. Okay, so public audio source. And I will call it sun moon AUD. Yep. Okay, so copy this. So when I press the sun moon button, it should be actually can be played. That's it. Okay, then you actually play accordingly. So remember, whenever you actually create a public audio source, okay, always refer back to your Unity site. That's it will actually appear in your inspector. Okay, remember to save your script. Yeah, then we'll saw this here. So where is our audio source? I put in Sun Moon button. I will just drag in him, then it will automatically get the component. Okay, now let us try it out. So when you play, click, yeah, cool. So press another time, we'll have a sound. Yeah, that's all for this. Okay, before I end this video, there's some of the important part that normally I will use for this component. You can actually use like looping. Normally, like background music, we actually take this because it will actually keep on looping the sound. So there's some important things. Let's say your originally audios might be too loud. Okay, so you can actually adjust the volume in here. Also can adjust some pitch. Okay, just a very simple one. So normally I would just use all this. Okay, hope this video could help you on doing a very simple play sound effects, play sound function. Okay, so remember to like, share, and subscribe me. Thank you.